Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about the concept of profile. So in the previous lecture we have already discussed how to create custom profile, and we have already discussed that there are the two types of the profile in the Salesforce environment. First one is the standard profile and second one is the custom profile. So let's we start the profile. So I, Dr. Dinesh Jain, welcomes you all in our channel, and in the series of Salesforce we will learn here how to create custom profile and what are the facility provided in the custom profile by the Salesforce. So let's begin. Go to the quick find search, type profile. So here you will see this is the profile. So click on this. In the previous lecture we have already created a custom profile. So we will do the all the operation perform in the custom profile that we have already created. So this is the list of profiles in the Salesforce environment. Some of the standard profiles and few are the custom profile. So yesterday we have, in the previous lecture we have created XYZ custom profile. So in this we are, if we are not finding this the that profile, so click on the next, because in the next page it will be visible. So in this we will see here, this is the XYZ. Yeah, so this is the, got it. This is the XYZ Salesforce. So you can see here, this is the user license. We have used the Salesforce license, and this is the profile name that we have already created. So if we want to perform the operation on this particular custom profile, how we will identify this is the custom profile? So you can see here, this is the column custom. So this is the checkbox right option. So that will indicate that is the custom profile which we have created. So click on the XYZ profile. So now we will see here the environment of the XYZ profile. So here you will see this is the layout of the XYZ profile, and here there are the four buttons are available. First one is the edit, second one is the clone, next one is the delete, and then view users. So if we want to perform any edit operation in particular custom profile, then we can use this edit button. So click on this edit button. If we want to clone, because clone nothing but that is a kind of copy of the features of particular existing profiles. For example, there are the so many profiles are available through by the Salesforce. First one is the standard profile and system administrator, and there are lots of more. But here we will discuss about the system administrator profile and standard user. So if we want to receive or if we want to fetch the all the features of the standard user, so we just click on the particular clone. So it will be automatically make the copy of all features in the custom profile. Now we want to delete, we can do it. And if we want to assign this profile for a particular user, so we can easily assign this profile to a particular user. So we will see it in the letter. So now this is the environment of the XYZ profile. So here you will see, so this is the profile detail. So XYZ profile we have created. This is the mention who is created. So this is my name. Now on the particular time, date and time. Now in the second option you will see here the console setting. If we want to set the console, so you can do that. Now standard page layout. So through this section we can easily customize the page layout. So the all the features are available if we want to perform the operation. Now this is the next section. This is known as the custom page layout. So through this particular layout we can customize and we can change the particular things. And now this is the field level security, we will discuss later. So through this if we want to view, so these are the kind of tab. So account, assets, these are the kind of fields which are already available inside in the object. So these are the kind of fields. So in the option view, so all the are view, so users can easily view. Now custom app second settings, we can do that. So how we will do that? So these are the, actually there are the so many features are available in the each and every profile that is provided by the Salesforce. So if we want to change or perform any operation in the particular customization, we want to customize this profile, so click on the edit button. So whenever you click on the edit button, you can see now this is the layout of the edit mode. So now we can perform all the operation. This is the profile name, as we have already discussed. Description, if you want to mention, so this is my first, if you want to mention that, otherwise you can blank. This is my first customization profile, right? So you can do your own, whatever you want you can write here. This is optional, nothing is the important. Now this is the custom app second, means this means how many application you want to visible, or you want to allow the how many application will be visible to the particular users or particular profile. So how we will do that? Nothing we have to do, we just simply click. Suppose these are the custom app second, if we want to don't want to visible this, now we will just remove this button. If we want to this remove, we can do that. If we want to select the default, we can do that. So it's up to the user, whatever he or she want as per their needs, he or she can do that. In the right side you can see visible mode. If you don't want to see the visible mode, you can do that. So these are the consoles, all the application that is the required, or we can customize. Now this is the tab settings. What are the tabs you want to visual, how many tabs you want to visual? So you can see these are the n number of tabs are available here. So first one is the account home, by default on rahe hai, then accounts, analytics, app launchers. So now if we want to disable this particular, so these are the three things are available, three options. So whatever you want as per your needs, you can do that. So suppose you want to off, you can do that. So this object, this tab will not be visible to the particular profile if we are choosing the default off, right? So for this we are just going to the on, because we require award, we don't want to, we can do that off. So n number of things you can perform here as per your requirement. Custom tab second, so in the previous lecture if you have seen, we have created the faculty object of faculty tabs. So if you want to visible to the user, you can easily default on, otherwise you can default off. So it's up to you, whatever you want. Now administrative permission, whatever you want to give the administrative level permission, you can do that. Suppose allow inclusion of codes, you can do that, otherwise you can remains as it is. So n number of features, you can explore all the features whatever you want as per your needs or organization requirement, you can do that. So it's totally up to you, whatever you want you can customize or you can modify. Now the general user permission, what are the general user permission means, what are the access permissions, so manage activity articles. So just drag and drop or kind of just click on the particular thing. There is no requirement of the coding or programming in that particular thing. So that is very easy or user friendly or ecosystem eco friendly platform for the business purpose or to support the business. Now this is the standard object permission. So standard object permission, nothing but that is a kind of read, user can read, write, edit, delete permission, so we can do that. So if you want to check, so then uncheck all the things. So user can only read and create and edit, or user cannot delete or modify all like that. So it's up to you, whatever you want you can customize from here this section. So this section provides all the flexibility to users to set as per their needs. So custom object permission, so these are the custom object permission, nothing but that how many custom object we have created. So these three custom object we have created: student, faculty and item. If we want to customize these custom objects, we can do that. So we also restrict the permissions. So if we want to provide the permission to the user can only read, create, edit. So as per our needs, so we can provide this kind of the permission to the users. Now after setting, so you can see here, this is the setting password policy. So if you want to set the kind of password will be expire after 90 days. If you want to change never, your password will be expired, so you can just select never expires. So don't worry for always. So three password remembered, so three password, and this is the minimum length of the, whenever you set the password, so it should be the minimum length should be the 8 characters. So it's up to you, whatever you want you can do that, you can customize. So this is the now session expire. If we are not using the system, so how the systems will be the expire there, this session expire. So it will be, I think we have already set here 2 hours. So after 2 hours session will be expired and it will be again required to user and password to log in again. So that is a kind of facility or kind of features provided by the Salesforce to the organization. So we all of us can set our as per our needs. So this is the kind of things, and finally we can save all the settings, we can save here. So click on the save. So whatever we want we can do that and we can save. So okay, after changing, after modifying, then we can clone it. So we can also clone it. Okay, so XY whatever we want, so we can just give the name. So as per our requirement we can do that. So this is a kind of layout of the profile. As per our needs we can customize the permissions, object label, tab label, feed label, record label, whatever a user want he or she can perform. So friends, thank you for watching this video. For more videos subscribe the channel, or and if you have not seen all previous lecture, you can go to the description where you will find all the link of the videos Salesforce regarding Salesforce. So please subscribe the channel for more video, that your subscription provide me great motivation. So you, my dear friends, please subscribe the channel and share this channel or share this video among your friends. Thank you.